Hey everyone, how you all doing? Got a 21 F150 with only 6,700 miles on it, and the passenger mirror motor doesn't work. Neither one work. Kind of interesting how both the motors wouldn't be working on something with such low mileage. But I've got 3 channels with my snap-on scope connected into the passenger mirror vertical and the horizontal signals, and the passenger mirror master comm. Yeah, it looks like everything here, the signal's working fine. The switch is working fine. There's back down, up, left, and right. Well, this thing is going to get a passenger mirror motor. Here's what we're going to put in it. There's the part number. I don't know if they're different left to right, but this is the passenger side. And hopefully we won't break this glass. So let's see if I can get on these ears and pry them away without busting the glass. There's supposed to be a service slot you stick a screwdriver in. I think I may see it. See if I can get this screwdriver in there. I can get this upper one way up in there. Sounds awful when you do this. It really sounds awful when they break. Okay. I think I got it. There we go. And it's got some little electrical connector. One for the bliss, the blind spot, and 1 or 2 for the heater. Might just leave this heater actually plugged in. We'll just slip it right there. This is held in by 3 T15 screws. Pull the screws out. There we go. Make sure all the wires look good. They do. And we're going to stick this new one in it. Okay, snap this. Snap both sides on, push it in the center. Get it lined up. And these ears right in here will snap in and hold it in. Well, let's see if it works before I put it back together. Going to the right, left. Yep, the scope didn't lie. Okay, before we snap this back on, I'll show you what I was talking about. There's this service slot right here, and you put your screwdriver in there. I've broken them before that way, so I like to take a pick and then pry these ears right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's 8 of them. So I usually start on these two, kind of pry in there and hold it and try to get this one and then that one. And then when you go back together, you just push it in firmly, straight. And hook it in the loop. Guide the wire back in there. Just kind of, just like that. Going up and down, left and right. Okay, this one is fixed. This one is actually a warranty repair since it's only got 6,500 miles on it. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.